What's going on, Dennis?
My straps, I got a sling right here. Perfectly good.
All right, go for it. Oh, Dennis!
What's up, guys? It's Dennis here. Get the car out here and see what the damages are from last week. If you haven't watched our video from last week, make sure you do that. We borrowed a friend's car. We made a flamethrower defrost for it, and things got a little bit out of hand, and we accidentally lit the car on fire. Had to put it out with the snowblower and a couple fire extinguishers. So yeah, and then it was minus 30 all week, so it's just been sitting out here. Hopefully it starts, or Mobin's gonna be pretty pissed off. You know, my nice car Mobin's got, there's a little bit of damage in there to the firewall. It's kind of gone. Yeah, it looks like the roof might have got burned a bit here, so. Alright, I guess we're gonna have to pull it out. Mobin's piece of junk doesn't have winter tires, so. Dang it! There's nothing to hook to on these cars! Well, oh well. Alright, we got Mobin's car in the garage now. We're just letting her dry out, and then we're gonna start working on it. I think Dennis is almost here. Well, all right. Don't talk. I was waiting for you. You were taking forever to get here. I had to get stuff done. I had to get it out of the snow. Well, I gave her a good tug. I think, personally, it looks a little more streamlined. I didn't know where else to hook it.
Yeah, I guess I would have probably hooked it up there too.
Yeah, see? That's 6 of one, half a dozen of the 6. Dennis, how are we gonna make this right for Mobin?
Oh, dude, why don't we just make this a convertible? Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, we're gonna get a good run at her now, boys.
All right, go for it. Uh-oh. What?
Mobin's gonna be so mad. Look at this roof. There's glass all over my driveway.
What happened? Oh, man. Yikes.
Well, he's not gonna know about the burnt roof now.
No, that's the biggest. That was the biggest. That was the biggest concern we had here, was not letting him know that we burnt his roof with our fail.
You just have to cut this part now.
Yep. Oh yeah. Take the all saw and just cut it.
Dude, that thing folded.
Oh, Dennis. Whoops.
There goes the rest of our wires.
Yep. Well, way she goes, I guess, buddy. Nothing you can do about it now. Well, what's the deal?
That was epic.
Ask for forgiveness later. Oh, Dennis! Whoa! What happened, Dennis? You wrecked Mobin's car!
Dang it. Oh.
Oh, Mobin, if you're watching this. We didn't actually intend to do this.
Oh, my back.
We just want it.
Holy. Oh, man. Mobin is going to be ticked. Hopefully the door still opens. Nope. Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah. Still good. Mobin won't even notice that.
It still works.
Oh, yeah. Whoops. Well, if anything.
You just got to reach inside, which that's easy now. It's a convertible.
Yeah, exactly.